Another interesting feature that it is installed and configured by default when you install an IoT gateway, it is the backup system. The backup system is based in Duplicati. As you can see here in the apps where we have all the stacks, we have a stack called Duplicati. When we click here, we go to an interface of Duplicati where we have two backups defined by default. So the first one is called Docker. So all the Docker stacks are going to be saved, and their data is going to be saved through the details that are defined to that UI. Here you have an example of the whole details that how the backup is defined and when it is going to run and blah blah blah. Especially interesting that by default everything is linked through a service called Telegraf that allow us to report the status of the backup process in real time. So when the backup is finished, all the information goes to an InfluxDB inside a central server, and then just selecting the hostname of the system, we can see how it has been the latest time that we ran the Docker backup and the system backup. Here we can see the latest time that it has been executed, what was the final result, the whole details about the number of folders backed up, the system logs, everything is ready to be reviewed centrally. And of course, also the alarms are automatically set up, and when something goes wrong, you are going to receive an email or whatever other of notification system that you have defined. For instance, in your mobile phone, you could have the notifications of whatever alarm raised because of a failure in the backup process. Of course, the restore process is also available from here. Nothing complicated, just follow the instructions of the UI and everything easy to use and ready for being consumed without having to run command line commands.